Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix controller not working in itch.io games. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and open your itch.io. Go ahead and head into your library, go to your installed items, right click on the game that you are on and simply click on check for updates. And if your game is up to date and if it's still having a problem, click on manage and then click on manage one more time and you can click on reinstall. Now this is just going to simply go ahead and reinstall your game, and if it's still not working, then I want you to check if your controller is actually connected to your PC properly. So go to device manager, that you can just search on your search bar just like that, and on the device manager, as you can see, there is going to be your keyboard and mice and other pointing devices. Click on those and just check for it, and if it is not there, then that means that it's not connected properly. Just try and reconnect it, and if it is there and if it's still having problems, just right click on the device, click on update driver, click on search automatically, and once you've done that, it's going to simply go ahead and update the driver and it should be working. If that is also not working, just try reinstalling itch itself. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.